Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to do a top speed run. Like, I've done a few like pulls in my videos, but I haven't done an official top speed run yet. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go over some of the specs first. You know, it's just going to be a top speed run for a fat guy. You can see I'm at about 245 right now. I have been losing a lot of weight. I used to be morbidly obese, and now I'm just regular obese. So we are rocking the Chai battery, the 72 volt 51 amp hour battery. I got the BAC 4000, the Greenline Engineering, and then if you can see this, we're running at 15,000 watts right now, 431 amps. We have a 58 tooth sprocket, so the bike normally comes with a 48 tooth, and I changed it to a 58 tooth. So the bigger the sprocket, the more torque you're going to get off the line, but the lower top end you're going to get, so that affects speed somewhat. Yeah, so this is going to be, if you had the 48 tooth or the 42 tooth, you're going to pick up a few miles an hour top end. But let's see how fast we can get this thing. I'm going to do a couple of runs. This is going to be a really quick video, and I'll see you on the road. Alright, so by the way, I'm going to be using GPS for the speed, you know, just so it's accurate. While we're on the way there, why don't we take a look at my store really quick and have a word from my sponsor, which is me, and we'll be right back. Really quick, just wanted to take a moment to let you know I've got my store up and running now. I got 4 PEVs for sale, 3 bikes, 1 scooter. Got the Admit Armor, which is, you know, sort of a competitor to the Sur Ron Ultra, except it blows it away in every way. This has a 72 volt, 70 amp hour, 20,000 to 25,000 K peak power. It's got a 4-speed gearbox, top speed about 85 miles an hour, something like that. We also got this 8,000 watt dual motor scooter. It's got 4 in the back, 4 in the front. We got 3 different battery options ranging from 30 to 50 amp hours. So, you know, a lot of range, a lot of power on that scooter if you're into scooters. And then we also have the Sur Ron, the 2023, the 38 amp hour, 6,000 watt. The Sur Ron is shipping fast and deliveries within 30 or 45 days of order, so that's pretty good. Same with the Talaria Sting R. This one's 30 to 45 days. The Talaria Sting's 4.9, and the Sur Ron is 4,500. Alright guys, thanks for sitting through this quick break, and let's get you back to the video. Alright, thanks for watching that. I'll try to keep those really short. I got a lot more bikes coming. Well, there's 4 more coming, but a lot of really cool looking bikes, fast ones. One of them is more like a street commuter type of thing, but don't want to give too much information about it till I actually get them. Yeah guys, if you are looking for a Talaria or a Sur Ron, now's a good time to buy from me, because they're shipping fast, delivering pretty fast. I'm going to be selling this one when I get my next bike, and after I upgrade it and do some comparison videos and stuff like that. I put probably about 11 or 12 grand into this. I'm going to sell it for 10. Dang, I was hoping it wouldn't be too busy. It's about midday on a Friday, so I should be able to hit top speed right here. Damn, it's a lot of cars though. Make sure I don't see any police. This actually should be good enough after this truck. Just let him get some distance so I can get up to speed. Alright, let's try it. So it looks like it hit 68 right there. I ate up some juice. I was 100% charged, so that actually ate up 5%. Let's see, I should be all right. Looks like 68 miles an hour with this configuration. With my weight, 245. That's actually faster than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like 65 was going to be the max, because that's as high as I got it before. but I haven't held it that long before. It takes, you know, a little bit to get those last few miles an hour. Let's see what my temperature is of the motor and everything. So motor temp's like 78 after that, which is, that's not bad at all. Controller's 48 degrees. What's interesting about these Greenline Engineering controllers with the heatsink on it, the heatsink kind of pushes the air down towards the motor a little bit, so I think it actually helps cool the motor too. Yeah, you can see the temperatures actually came up a little bit to 80 degrees. So the air was cooling it off pretty good. But I have it set, I think, 110 or 120 degrees to cut power or to reduce power. Which, I mean, at 15,000 watts, I've never even gotten close to. Alright, that's a good benchmark, because the other bike I get, geez, I can't talk. The other bike I'm getting is a 72 volt. It's a 12,000 watt tune, except it has a 4-speed gearbox. So, and obviously the highest gear is going to be a small gear. So, it'd be like having like a, you know, like a 39 tooth or some shit rear sprocket. So, I'm wondering, I'm thinking I could probably get a higher top speed out of the 12,000 just because it's using the power more efficiently, I guess. I don't know if that's the right way to say it, but there you have it. 68 miles an hour. That's actually pretty good. Better than I thought. Hey guys, please give me a subscription. Really trying to hit that 1,000 mark. You know, I'm gonna be having a celebration. Maybe doing a giveaway or something when I hit 1,000. Man, it's a lot of hard work getting from nothing to 1,000, I'm telling you. But hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.